The 1260 years explained. I have received a few messages asking how I got 1260 literal years from our time measurements known as 42 months and the phrase time times and a half a time, which are both found in Daniel and Revelation. So I wanted to make a quick video to break down the math behind these divine time measurements. Now let's take a look. So there are three ways to label the same span of time. That is 1260 days, time times and a half a time, and also 42 months. When you see any of these three divine time measurements mentioned in a verse, you can tell yourself it's interchangeable with the other two on the list. So now let's get into the math of this prophetic time measurement. First thing we need to know is that when we take the word time within Daniel or Revelation, it is equivalent to 1 literal year. Times equals 2 years. And finally, a half a time is a half a year. Now we add up and see that it totals 3.5 years. We then convert 3.5 years into months, and you get 42 months. And you convert that again into days, and you get 1260 days. The last step is to apply the day-year principle used within biblical historicism, and you get 1260 literal years. Ezekiel 4:6, I have appointed thee each day for a year. These three time measurements that all equal 1260 literal years was fulfilled from 538 AD to 1798 AD when the beast of the sea in Revelation 13, also known as the little horn in Daniel 7, ruled the world, and that is the papacy and the Roman Catholic Church. Again, this time of 1260 days can also be 42 months or a time times and a half a time found in end times prophecy. I hope this clarifies some of our very key end times terminology and divine time measurements found within Daniel and Revelation. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you are enjoying these teachings. I have over 100 videos made so far that cover topics on the gospel, the Torah, our Messiah, the Trinity, end times, the resurrection, and much more. Please check it out. Thank you and shalom.